Hi everybody, I am going to talk about clipping masks right now. And we're going to look at using clipping masks to incorporate images into text. And this is an example of where we're headed. Okay, I'm going to go to File, New, and I've been sticking with this custom canvas because I want to be able to print this on US copy paper, um, but I want it to be in the horizontal orientation or landscape. So I've changed it to 11 by 8.5 inches. And I can go in here and name it Clipping Mask Test. Okay. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my type tool and I am going to go ahead and write the word sky. I can, and press the check mark. I can move sky, this word, this text, around my canvas if I have the move tool selected. If I want to edit this text, I have to make sure that I'm on the layer, the text layer, and that I go back to my type tool. Now I can highlight this text and I can change the font, the size, the color, all kinds of things. For this one, I'm going to recommend that you have a text that's pretty bold. Um, and let's see. I am going to show you the characters panel. If you don't have the character panel, you can go to Window, Character, and you get some other options in here. If I come back and highlight my text again, I can do something, I can change something by using tracking. If I increase the tracking, I'm increasing the size or the space between each individual character. Or I can decrease the tracking so that they're really close together. And for this look, I want them really close together. I can collapse this and press the check mark. And again, I can move my text with the move tool. The next thing that I'm going to do is File, Place an image of the sky. And I can resize this by holding down Shift and dragging from a corner. I have these transformation handles, and then press Return to place this image. Now the important thing with clipping masks is that my image is above my text layer. The order here matters. And with this image selected, I can go to Layer, Create Clipping Mask. And essentially what I've done is I've clipped this image inside the layer below. And you can see the order matters. If you look at this little arrow, it's pointing down and saying, I'm clipping into this one down here. If I had the order reversed, it wouldn't have worked the same way. The nice thing about clipping masks is my sky is really easy to edit here. If I press Command T, I have my transformation handles. I can sort of decide where I want to place my sky in my letters. And I can press Return. So that's using a clipping mask to put an image inside text.